Power of two. Ganesha is a deity which is associated with tantric practices and associated with the base chakra, which is called the Muladhara chakra. And Ganesha's trunk, if you have observed carefully, is tilted towards the right side. So as we have two hemispheres in the brain, the left hemisphere and right hemisphere, both of them performing two different kind of functions. The left hemisphere is responsible for your mathematical skills, your logical skills, your reasoning, your scientific skills, your sorting skills, whereas the right hemisphere of the brain is the creative brain. It is responsible for remembering tunes of songs, lyrics, then visualization, the colors, the color combinations, the spatial awareness. So all that is towards the right hemisphere of the brain. So similar as Ganesha's trunk is towards tilted towards right side, basically means in pursuit of creative visualization, in pursuit of the creative part of the brain. All right, and if you know that a lot of people do ask that whether Ganesha is married or unmarried. Now, in South India, Ganesha is an unmarried Brahmin. All right, he's a bachelor boy. Okay, and he is a scribe. He's described as a scribe in South India with vast knowledge and intellect as much, and having so much of memory as a memory of an elephant. So that is what Ganesha is depicted in the south. But in Maharashtra specifically, Ganesha is married, and for any household deity to be a household deity needs to have a consort, so should be married. So Ganesha is married. He has two wives, Riddhi and Siddhi. Now Riddhi is associated with material abundance, and Siddhi means intellectual knowledge. So can you see the combination of Riddhi and Siddhi is exactly the same way that the two hemispheres of our brain are located. So as the left hemisphere of the brain is for your logical and reasoning and mathematicals and scientific skills, and the right is for creative visualizations and creative pursuits, similar is Riddhi and Siddhi. So Riddhi is associated with material abundance and Siddhi is associated with intellectual growth. So Ganesha's role with Riddhi and Siddhi explains in the modern shrine that Ganesha is associated with both Lakshmi and Saraswati. Now in our cultural tradition, it's Lakshmi, which is material wealth, which denotes material wealth, and Saraswati, which denotes knowledge. So on the right hemisphere of the brain is actually you can call as Saraswati, and the left one is called, left hemisphere is what you can call as Lakshmi. Also Lakshmi represents wealth, Saraswati represents knowledge, and that is how you can observe the duality in nature and in this universe as well.